Deep within the lush rainforests of the world, where sunlight filters through towering trees and colorful flowers bloom year-round, lives one of nature's most extraordinary creations, the tropical butterfly. These delicate insects are far more than beautiful creatures drifting through the forest. They are survivors, pollinators, masters of disguise, and essential members of some of Earth's most complex ecosystems.
Tropical butterflies can be found throughout the rainforests of Central and South America, Africa, Southeast Asia, and parts of Australia. Unlike butterflies living in colder climates, many tropical species remain active throughout the year because warm temperatures and abundant food sources allow them to thrive without long periods of dormancy.
Scientists estimate that there are over 20,000 butterfly species worldwide, with thousands living in tropical regions alone. Every year, researchers continue discovering new species hidden within remote forests, reminding us that nature still holds countless mysteries waiting to be uncovered.
One of the most famous tropical butterflies is the blue morpho, native to the rainforests of Central and South America. Its brilliant electric blue wings seem almost unreal, flashing brightly as it flies through the forest canopy. Surprisingly, the blue color isn't produced by pigment. Instead, microscopic scales on the butterfly's wings reflect light in a way that creates its stunning metallic appearance. When the wings close, however, the underside reveals dull brown coloring decorated with eye-like spots that help confuse predators and provide excellent camouflage.
Another remarkable species is the owl butterfly, named for the enormous eye patterns on its wings that resemble the eyes of an owl. These markings serve as an effective defense against predators such as birds and reptiles, causing them to hesitate or flee. This simple illusion can mean the difference between life and death.
The life of every butterfly begins in a humble way. A tiny egg is carefully laid on a specific host plant selected by the female butterfly. Within days or weeks, depending on the species, a caterpillar emerges with one primary mission: to eat. Caterpillars consume enormous amounts of leaves, growing rapidly and shedding their skin several times as they increase in size.
Once fully grown, the caterpillar enters one of nature's most incredible transformations. It forms a chrysalis, where its body undergoes an astonishing process known as complete metamorphosis. Inside this protective casing, much of the caterpillar's body breaks down and reorganizes into an entirely new form. Wings develop, antennae appear, and specialized organs take shape. After days or even weeks, an adult butterfly emerges, unfolding soft wings that gradually expand and harden before its first flight.
Adult tropical butterflies feed primarily on flower nectar using a remarkable feeding tube called a proboscis. This long, flexible tube remains tightly coiled beneath the butterfly's head until needed, unrolling like a tiny drinking straw to reach deep inside flowers. While feeding, butterflies unknowingly transfer pollen between blossoms, helping countless tropical plants reproduce and maintain the rich biodiversity of rainforest ecosystems.
Interestingly, not all butterflies survive solely on nectar. Some tropical species seek nutrients from rotting fruit, tree sap, animal dung, or even damp soil rich in minerals. Large groups can often be seen gathering along muddy riverbanks in a behavior known as puddling, where they absorb essential salts and nutrients unavailable from flowers alone.
Survival in the rainforest requires more than beauty. Tropical butterflies have evolved extraordinary defense strategies. Some species possess bright warning colors that signal they are toxic or unpleasant to eat. Others mimic these dangerous butterflies despite being harmless themselves, fooling predators into avoiding them. This remarkable evolutionary strategy, known as mimicry, has fascinated scientists for generations and demonstrates the incredible power of natural selection.
Despite their delicate appearance, many tropical butterflies are surprisingly capable travelers. Some species can cover significant distances while searching for food, mates, or suitable breeding grounds. Their movements help spread plant pollen across vast sections of rainforest, supporting healthy ecosystems in ways that often go unnoticed.
Today, however, tropical butterflies face growing threats. Deforestation, climate change, pollution, pesticide use, and habitat fragmentation are reducing the forests they depend upon for survival. As ancient rainforests disappear, countless butterfly species lose the plants needed for laying eggs and feeding future generations. Conservation efforts around the world now focus on protecting rainforest habitats, restoring native vegetation, and educating communities about the importance of preserving biodiversity.
Butterflies are also valuable indicators of environmental health. Because they respond quickly to changes in climate and habitat quality, scientists often monitor butterfly populations to understand the overall condition of ecosystems. A decline in butterfly numbers can signal larger environmental problems that may eventually affect countless other species, including humans.
Perhaps what makes tropical butterflies so captivating is the balance they represent between fragility and resilience. Their lives may seem brief, yet their impact on nature is profound. Every fluttering wing contributes to a complex web of life that has evolved over millions of years.
The next time you see a butterfly drifting gracefully through the air, remember that you are witnessing the result of one of nature's greatest transformations. Behind every brilliant wing lies a remarkable story of adaptation, survival, and beauty. Tropical butterflies are more than symbols of change. They are living reminders that even the smallest creatures can play an essential role in sustaining the incredible diversity of life on our planet.
If you found this detailed, candid discussion about tropical butterflies both interesting and enlightening, please do me the honor of giving it a like, a share, leave a comment, and please subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this one.